Good morning. Hope you all are doing fine. Today we'll see how we can download the Digital Campus Parent Portal app from Play Store and App Store and how we can run it and access it. Initially, please go to Play Store for Android phones or App Store in iOS and search for Digital Campus Parent V3. You will get this app in which you're seeing on screen with blue icon. Please install it. After installing, please click on open to open the app. After opening, it will ask for the school code. In school code, please enter IHIS as school code. IHIS. It doesn't have to be case sensitive. You can enter IHIS and click on submit. It will ask for the parent ID and password. Parent ID is the one which is provided in your fee card, which will be as like starts with P followed by 5-digit number. So here we'll just enter an example, followed by the password. After entering the parent ID and password, it will take few seconds to load. Here you can see all your wards data. If you're having any siblings, you can just slide slide towards your right to get the other wards data. If not, if only one ward, you can just click on the name of the ward for it to load. This is how the page will look like, the parent portal app. Okay, here you can see you have all the resources required. Here we'll start with the communication. Here in communication, if you want to have any communication with any specific teacher of the subjects which your ward is added to, you can contact the teachers from here. In communication, you can just click on the teacher's name. You can type the message and send them. They will receive in their digital campus account and they will respond you from there. Next, this is for emails. Followed by SMSs, news. If some news are posted on the digital campus, it will be shown here. Followed by circulars, which is the most important one. Here you will receive the notifications for any circulars posted, and you can access all the circulars here. You can access the old circulars also. So when new circulars are posted, it will be shown here. In learning resources, you have learning management system or LMS, which if you'll click here, it will redirect you to the LMS page. You can access all the LMS features from this page. You can click on this button to get all the subjects. Or you can come here and just scroll down to see all the subjects of your ward. To join class, just click on the subject, click on the active link. Only click on the active link. You're not allowed to access the links which are restricted to you because you're not added in that group. So just click on the active link to join the class. Click on join meeting to join the class. Go back to the digital campus app. Here now, since we are taking all the homeworks and assignments from LMS, so you don't have to access this. Here coming down, you can check the attendance of your ward, if they're present, absent, on then holidays, which days are marked as holidays. You can access it from here, the calendar. Coming down to financial summary, here you can have all the details of the fees which are pending, which you have paid month wise. You can access any month, for example January. It will show you the tuition fees, the development fees, computer fees, transport fees, how much is due, how much is paid. All the details will be available here regarding your financial summary. The last option will be of progress card, which will show the report cards of the student. Since this ID is of a student from first grade, so there are no previous report cards. By clicking on this button, you can choose different themes. You can choose whichever suits you. The features will remain same, just the look will be different. I hope everything is clear. It will take a few seconds to load. So you can see the news time. When there are new notifications, you can see here on the bell icon there will be notifications. When there are new notifications, you can see a count on the notification button. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, please email me on ihisitc@gmail.com. Thank you.